Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the XM4 off and unplugging cables. This prevents accidental input and keeps connectors safe. Place the headphones on a clean, stable surface with the ear cups facing up so you can see the hinges. Once positioned, rotate each ear cup outward about 90 degrees so the hinge frees. This aligns the pivot and prevents stress. Make sure you feel the hinge click. If not, realign and try again. Doing these first steps preserves padding and prevents pinching. You now fold both ear cups inward toward the headband, guiding them so the cups sit parallel to the band. Use gentle, even pressure. The XM4 hinge is designed to fold inward and should move smoothly. If one side feels tight, ease back and re-angle the ear cup, forcing it risks bending the hinge. Once folded, check that the driver housings sit flat against the headband and that no fabric is caught. This compact orientation protects the cups and reduces case bulk. You finish by placing the folded XM4 into the supplied case with the ear cups facing inward, ensuring the headband fits in the case contour. Store cables in the pocket to avoid pressure marks and zip the case closed gently so nothing shifts. If the hinge is stiff, warm the area slightly in your hands, realign the ear cup, and try again without force. Debris or misalignment is usually the cause. If it remains stuck, stop and contact Sony support to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.